Yeah, good day everyone. Today I bring you one of the best strategy you can see in boom and crash. This strategy is strategy like I've used several times. It has worked for me. It works almost 90% of the time, if not 100. I'll just take you through the strategy and you see how perfectly the strategy works. Here's the strategy. Okay. Now what I do with this strategy, the main strategy I want to introduce to you now is this second strategy here, the second one you're seeing here. That's the one to introduce. In how the strategy works is just simple moving average crossover. That's all. Anytime you see anytime you say crossover, you sell. Anytime you say crossover, you sell. But you don't still sell blindly. But at least when you say it take sometimes 10, sometimes 20, sometimes any amount of ticks depending on where you're selling the market. Now let's go into the strategy. If you're selling this market in this zone where I call the overbought level, I'm talking about this strategy. I'm talking about this indicator here. So if you're selling when it's crossed over here, expect the market to go down for a long time. As you can see it's a down till when this green and blue line touches the 30 zone. They can assist the market with somewhere here. The green line has touched here, so it assists the market here. And here comes the spike. Let's go for another one. Here again, here comes another crossover. You can see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is it. This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the 5 ticks again. And I say why I'm taking 5 years because it's crossed over here in the 70 zone. So you shouldn't expect that much because it's without saying this other one to cross over here. And then go again. This one that crossed over. Here's another crossed over again here. Crossed over here again. Let me come here. You crossed over here. This you take all this. So you take at least minimum is 5. It will surely give you 5. It will surely give you 5. Here's another crossover here. Nice crossover. So you expect a big one. You expect this big move. As you can see here, it's a big move. You can see it now. Wait for another crossover. Here's another crossover. If you count it again, you can let me count it. Here's the crossover. You can see this more than 10 already. This more than 10. Let's for another crossover. Here's another crossover here again. Here's oh god. Here's another crossover. You can see it here. 1, 2. When the spike catches us up, so long as you know it's crossing over in the 70 line, don't worry, it's automatically you automatically recover from it. And here is it. You've already recovered. As you can see, this catches you up. This catches you up down to this level. You can see where your profit is. This is where they tossed it. See where your profit is. So definitely you're still in profits. Now give it for another crossover. Here's another crossover again. Same thing. Here's another crossover here. But this is not for the up. Here's another crossover for down. As you can see, it happens over and over again. So long as it's crossing over and this indicator window 1 here is still not like it's not on the oversold level, you can take your trade. Let me look for if I can see where it's crossing over in the oversold level. So I will show you. That doesn't really happen that often, but let me see if I can see. Let me check here. Okay, I think it's somewhere here, crossed over here. It didn't cross over there. No, it didn't cross over there. So let me just show you settings of the indicator. That's the indicator I'm using. I'm using on demo account here. You can see here. This demo account. I've already made my target for today. So you can see there. That's what I'm using here. You can see it's already on the overbought level. Then it crosses over here. That I enter the trade somewhere here. I enter here, then this spike catches me up because I was sure I left it trade. Then I can see I've already recovered it. So I'm waiting for this green line to touch the 13 line. So I will resist the market. I'm using the lowest loss type. This is the lowest because this strategy is very powerful. Here's the setting of the strategy. Here's the setting. Using the Ichimoku 999. Here's it. Yes. These are the colors, everything. Then the main crossover. Okay, let me still go through this one. The RSI is just one because you don't really need the RSI. Just need the line to give you the overbought and oversold zone. You need the stochastic there too. Then this is the main indicator. Your RSI is still one because you don't need it. Then see your moving average. Here's the moving average setting. Your period is 10. Your shifts is 1. Your method of linear weight. The apply to close. Your style is 3. I use this as green. leave your level blank. For the second one, your period is 20, shift is 1, method is linear weights, apply to previously indicated that data, then the star here is 3, leave your level blank, and done it. And here you have it. This is a very powerful strategy that I've been using, and just today I've already made, here is, okay, this is them accounts. Okay, this is not the game. In my real account, I've already made 100 and now $20 something just in less than 2 hours, and I'm done for the day. I'm not trading anymore because I have a lot to do now. So if you can know the strategies, works perfectly. If you want me to do more about it, you can just comment on the comment section there. I will do another still on it to explain it better. It's everywhere. It crosses over here. You see it again. Here's it. It's just everywhere. It crosses over here. Here's it. But don't be greedy. Maximum, take 10 candles maximum. Maximum should be 10. At least, I'm sure it's usually give you 5. Here's it again. So long as it doesn't cross over when the market is already on oversold level, expect it to give you enough. I think it's crossed over. I think, okay, there was a little crossover here, though it wasn't there. Let me see if I can just explain. Okay, you see, if you don't know, this crossed over here and the spike comes snatch. See, where did it cross over? You can see it here. It's crossed over below the 30 line, so you're never supposed to take this. You're not supposed to take this crossed over here. When it goes, it's crossover. You're not supposed to take. If not, this spike will have caught up with you. You will wait. You see the main crossover. This is where the main crossover is. This is the crossover there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do the markets.